G'day trendsetters, and welcome to another 3-Minute Monday. This is the 4th episode, if a 3-minute video can be an episode. But anyhow, 4th episode of 3-Minute Monday, and I just want to bring you up to date with the Paris market baby carrots. Planted nearly 4 months ago, well, just over 4 months ago now. So that's been all through winter. That's fairly slow growing. But that's all right, the slower they grow, the sweeter they taste. And I've got some pretty good looking carrots here that I'm keen to get started on. I've got lots of other carrots that still need a bit of time to grow. But there's a couple of things going on here. The first one is that they're planted quite thickly, as you can see. So what I'm doing as I harvest the biggest ones, that leaves room for the smaller ones around it to grow. So it's a slow, continual harvest. The second thing I'm a little bit concerned about is they're a big pot, and I'm basically only getting a fairly little carrot for my trouble. So what I'm thinking is that I wouldn't necessarily put the Paris market, this little baby carrot, in a big pot like this again. I'd use a true baby carrot that grows about maybe 6 inches long and make more use of the pot itself. These, I haven't quite made up my mind, but you could just about put them anywhere, just a little 6-inch row in between, dotted all around the place. They wouldn't take up much space. But now, end of winter, early spring, is a good time to plant carrots again as well. So I'll put a link to this planting of these pots in the description below. And if you so choose, you can plant your carrots again at this time of the year. So there you go. But these are a yummy little carrot. And I have already harvested once, and you just top and tail and give them a wash and throw them straight in the roasting pan along with your other veggies, your potatoes and pumpkin, whatever, and they sweeten up a whole lot again. So they were fun. Like I said, I will plant them again, but differently. I've got a garden bed down the side of the driveway here, which isn't very deep in soil. I could probably plant a couple of rows down there. So places like that, but I think I can make better use of pots these size. Just another thing I'd like to mention, this pot here was about 60% potting mix and then a fine playground sand, washed sand I added to this. That one was the same, about 60% potting mix, but I used a sieved compost to make up the rest of it. And I think I got better results from the one with the potting mix and the sieved compost. So, not that these were that bad, they were just better than this one. So there's nothing wrong with, like they say, with carrots, you don't want too much nutrient in the soil when you plant your carrots so as to prevent forking and all that. And you're all top and no bottom. But I don't see anything wrong with about 1/3 to compost to 2/3 potting mix. That they've done fine. And I think the ones with the compost finished off a lot better than these ones with the sands. These probably ran out of a bit of puff. It's okay to add some compost, just so long as you don't get too carried away with the nutrient levels. But a compost is fine. That's another 3-Minute Monday, maybe. I don't know how long I've rambled on for. So I hope you enjoyed this. It will be helpful to me and the channel if you subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like and share the video as well to get the word spread around a lot more. And with a bit of luck, I'll see you here for the next 3-Minute Monday. I have got a couple of other videos planned for this week, and hopefully they'll be up between now and next Monday. So thanks for watching, and cheers for now.